Hello everyone. In this video, I'll explain how to use Cash App Taxes to file your taxes for free. Cash App Taxes is a built-in feature that allows you to file both federal and state tax returns without paying extra fees, unlike many other tax services that often charge for state returns or special forms. To get started, open your Cash App and look for the Taxes section. From there, you'll create a tax profile by entering your personal information, such as your name, social security number, and filing status. The app will then guide you step by step to import your W-2 forms, 1099s, and other income documents. In some cases, you can even upload a photo of your W-2, and the app will pull in the information automatically, which saves a lot of time. Cash App Taxes also supports various tax situations, including standard employment, self-employment, credits, and deductions. You'll answer simple questions, and the app will do the calculations in the background. One of the best features is accuracy guarantees and audit defense, which means if the IRS ever audits you, Cash App Taxes provides guidance at no extra cost. Once everything is completed, you'll review your return, make sure all your information looks correct, and then e-file directly from the app. You'll also see the expected refund amount or the balance you may owe before submitting. Filing is completely free, and your confirmation will be sent right to your email. So Cash App Taxes is a convenient and cost-effective option, especially for people who want a straightforward way to file without hidden fees. It may not have all the advanced features of premium tax software, but for most users, it's a reliable, easy-to-use solution. Subscribe the channel for more videos.